Hello students, welcome to everyone. Today I am going to explain exercise 2.1 7th sum. If f dash of x equal to x plus b, f of 1 equal to 5 and f of 2 equal to 13, then find f of x. So is given f dash of x equal to x plus b. Find f of x. So f of x is a formula integral f dash of x dx. F of x equal to integral f dash of x dx. So integral, what is f dash of x? X plus b dx. So now x, this is a two part, no, x dx plus b dx. We know the two formula, no, already. The first type two formula, integral x power n dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This is the first formula. Now I introduce the second formula. Constant means k dx means kx plus c. This is the true formula applying here. Now first see the first formula. This is a without power means assume 1. So now apply the first formula. So n plus 1, x power n plus 1. What is the n here? 1. So now x 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus, this is a constant, no, so constant the integration means kx. So now bx plus c, x power 1 plus 1 2 by 2 plus bx plus c. F of x equal to x square by 2 plus bx plus c. This is the f of x. So we need the f of x. Now we found the f of x. We need f of x, we found, but we need b value and c value. So now apply, use f of 1 and f of 2. First I take the f of 1, x equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1, this equation, f of 1 equal to, what is x value? 1. 1 square by 2 plus b of 1 plus c. So 1 square means 1, 1 by 2 plus b into 1, b plus c. F of 1 means what? F of 1 value? 5. So 5 equal to 1 by 2 plus b plus c. So 2 into b, cross multiply, we need denominator 2 means multiply cross, 2 into b, 1 plus 2b, 2 into c, 2c by 2. So now this denominator 2, no, the divide will transpose multiple. So 5 2s are 10, 10 equal to 1 plus 2b plus 2c. Now this will separate the, now we'll separate variables one side and numbers one side. So this is the number, left hand side is number, right hand side is the variable. So now the plus 1 will transpose minus 1, 2b plus 2c. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9 equal to 2b plus 2c. This is the equation 1. Now I took f of 1 equal to 5 means I got the one equation. The same method applies second equation, second also. What is f of equal to 13? No. So now x equal to 2, apply the f of x. F of 2 equal to x equal to 2 means apply here. So now 2 square by 2 plus b into 2, b plus c. What is f of 2 value? 13, no. So 2 square means 4 by 2 plus 2 into b, 2b plus c. So 13 equal to 4 by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 plus 2b plus c. Now we'll separate variable one side and numbers one side. This is the numbers. So bring the left hand side. So 13 plus 2 will transpose minus 2, 2b plus c. So 13 minus 2, 11, 2b plus c. This is the second equation. So now we found the two equations. Now we need b value and c value. Now I will separate equation 1 to equation 2. 1 minus 2. What is the equation 1? 2b plus 2c equal to 9. What is second equation? 2b plus c equal to 11. So now separate 1 minus 2, no. So equation 1 subtract equation 2. Now I change the sign, second equation. This is without sign plus, plus opposite sign minus. Plus means minus. This is a plus sign minus. 2b minus 2b cancel. 2c minus c, c, 9 minus 11, so 9 minus 11 minus 2, c equal to minus 2, no. So now c equal to minus 2, apply in equation, substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1 here? 2b plus 2c equal to 9. So 2b, what is the c value? Minus 2, no. Apply c place. 2b, 2 into 2 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 4 equal to 9. So 2b equal to 9. The minus will transpose plus 4. 2b equal to 13. Now 2 into b, we need b value only. B keep it the same side. The 2 will transpose minus, this is multiply, will transpose divide, 13 by 2. Now we found the b value and c value. Finally, the both value, apply the f. Apply the f of x. F of x equal to x square by 2. What is the b value? 13 by 2, no. So 13x by 2. What is the c value? Minus 2. This is the final answer. Thank you.